Hi guys, this video is going to help you do your graphs for your assignment that you need to do. So you should have some data collected from your experiments. Your data will probably look something like this. And if you are going to do it in Excel, you're going to have to set your actual data out pretty much exactly like I have in this example. So as you can see, I've got our left column is minutes, and this example would be a good one for people that are using the different colored cans, but obviously you would have three different columns for cans. So I've got my time in minutes, and I've just put time in minutes up the top here, and then I've set out whatever intervals it is that you recorded your data. Then I've gone the black can with the temperature, and that stands for Celsius, and then whatever temperatures you recorded at whatever intervals, and then the same for white. So to do a graph in Excel, it's quite simple. All we do is select our data, all of it. Now, when you go to insert and then graph type, you've got all these different graph types up here, but you really want to scatter plot something like this. You don't want something that connects the lines. You want something that just shows each individual point on the graph. And what it will do, it will plot two lots of data. It'll plot, this is the x-axis, and then it'll plot these two in different colors. So if I click this, there we go, our graph comes up automatically. Now, whilst this is good and it comes up straight away, this actually isn't finished yet. So what you need to do is you need to add axes titles. So the way we do that is you just make sure your graph is selected, go to add chart element, and we want to add axes title. So we want to add both a horizontal and a vertical axes title. So just select horizontal and then go back and select vertical. And once they're added in, all we do is just double click on them and you will be able to edit them. So our x-axis is our time, and when we write our x-axis, we always want to write what time we're actually recording, what are the units. So we obviously have done this in minutes. Okay, and then on our y-axis up here, it's going to be our temperature, because this was the temperature of the water in the cans that we measured. So I'm just going to use abbreviations, temperature in Celsius. Okay, and then the final thing you want to do is add a chart title. So you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it can temps. I expect you to just call it whatever you want. And then once that's done, that is pretty much what you are going to submit in your assignment. So in your assignment, you should have a table that looks something like this. You might have three lots of data, and you should, sorry, a graph that looks like this with three lots of data, and you should have a table that looks something like this. And that will go on the results section of your assignment.